You're not sad again. Are you slash gay?
Yeah, she need out of David, maybe you leave me. I think about you all the time, girl. Yeah, you're the apple of my eye.